We're up at 1 AM for a night session in the harbour where my boy Jared's gonna hook on his biggest flathead to date. In saying that, he has kind of caught a bigger flatty on our boat back in the day, but because I had to take over as it was proving a bit too heavy for him at the time, it was more of a shared catch.
Make a ball.
And then just put it on.
Just hook it through. That's it. Same thing. Hit a ball. Hook it through. And got the 3 hook sabiki. Took out the other 3, sorry.
We start off by catching our bait as we do, yellowtails with a dough that Jared and I made earlier, adding leftover anchovy oil for essence.
Oh, you did?
That seems to always work.
I don't know. It's beautiful though. So this same color as your line.
I know. What kind of this? What is that? I don't know. I can't tell you.
It's a massive groper.
This is
Came through. Give it Jewy or something big.
That's too small, right?
Yeah, this one's a bit too small. Yeah, this is good for like flathead and bream. So yeah, just come take.
You're doing great, Jared. Keep going.
So you'll just loop it back into that hole.
Oh.
Tighten it up, and that will tighten on itself.
Wow.
There you go.
And that's all?
Yeah, and that's probably the strongest for that type of hook. That's good.
Wow, okay.
If you want, you can just cut that tip. Nice, buddy. Let's go set up our stuff. I might put the... Good, pull back. Good job.
Ready?
Ah, it's an eel.
Ew, let's go. Great, my first eel. I mean, my second eel.
Unagi don. It's gonna be 36.
Oh, good size.
And it's 39, which is a beauty. It's gotta be 36, so all good. No, I'll clean it up. Yeah.
Yeah, I see it. What is that?
Yeah, it's a squid.
Wow.
And there you go. See? You wanna give that a go? Oh, and then when
The reason
we
we're
drop
laughing there is because I was showing little kiddo over there if he wanted to try squid fishing.
Yeah, right.
So on my first cast, and while explaining, I so
just
happened
put
to
out
land
there.
a squid.
Yeah?
Perfect example.
Go on.
Very lucky though, but I had to show
No,
face
yeah,
as if
yeah, so you don't need
I
to muck
first
around.
cast all the time.
Wipe your hands on that green cloth. That's clean. That green cloth there.
That's it.
That's my wife's shirt, so it's all good.
You wanna go for a spin? I'm just sick. That was so fun to watch.
That
Just
was
be careful
cool,
not to
huh?
get tangled, yeah?
Yeah.
How did you tie this one? Just so I don't bother you with your rod.
So I use there's a swivel there.
This one?
There's snap. Oh, good. 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 Well done. Yep. Good.
Big. Yeah. Heavy.
There you go.
Kingfish? Wait, don't kiss.
No, no kingfish. It's too early. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Oh,
Oh.
yeah, let it run. Good job. Yeah, you can.
Keep trying, Jared.
Yeah,
Keep
you
trying.
can.
Keep practicing.
100% you can. Yeah. Well done. Good job, you can do it.
Good job, Jared.
Well done. Keep going.
See, I can see it.
Oi! Big flatty. Big flatty.
Whoa, another one.
But it's massive.
Oh, that's massive.
You want me to do the rest?
It's alright.
You got it? Good job.
So you have to go underneath.
Okay.
Look how it's swimming.
Okay.
Going this way. Do we need a net?
You do need a net.
Alright.
That's massive.
Oh, that's so massive.
Oh, the net's in the car, buddy.
Oh, net.
Just quick, can you go run to the car and get the net? You know where it is?
In the back?
Yeah. In the side.
Are we gonna eat it?
Back side. Now you're gonna land it. But we gotta let this one go. Just hold on to that quiet, Jared. Sorry. That's yours, bud. Hold on.
You got it. Massive. Whoa.
Good job, Jared.
Good job, Jared. Oh my gosh.
Let's bring it over.
Oh, I'm not gonna hold that thing.
You're not gonna hold
Let's
it.
try holding it. Oh my gosh, looks like a meat pie and a
Meat pie.
like a pizza. Whoa,
Oh.
that's massive.
Yeah, unfortunately we gotta put that back.
Yeah, because we can't. We don't know how to. Or we can sashimi it.
We
Oh, okay.
it's too big, unfortunately, buddy.
Okay. Can I take a photo?
The rules is, yeah, for sure.
No,
Oi,
try carrying it, Jared. You're strong. You're strong. Not holding it. Oh,
77 centimeters.
oh my gosh. Look how big this big boy is. Put it back in the net. Uh-oh. If it don't live, then we have to get it.
Yeah, that's why I'll put it next to the ladder.
Will it live? Young thing.
Alright.
Did it? Yeah, did it. Uh-oh.
No. Give it a second though.
Please. We can't go to jail.
Jared,
Jared.
Jared, go.
Go, go,
Go, go, go, go, go, go.
What's that?
Flatty.
Again?
Yeah. Good size.
We got another one. Yo, but small, good. Bro, how many flights But are even
There
tastier.
you go.
Bro, how many flights are here?
Well done.
Like a million of them. This one.
That's a better size. Another flatty.
And another
Good
yummier.
Legal. Yep, 43.
Okay, good. Nice.
Perfect. Okay.
So I pan fry the fish and make somewhat of a veloute sauce or a white sauce. Now it might not exactly be veloute or white sauce, it's a kind of mixture in between, but that's always because I cook off the cuff and change things up to what I reckon at the time. But to describe it best, yes, basically stems off veloute and or white sauce. Basically a mother sauce.
Hello. Hello. Hi.